Have you been looking for a huge country house for your big family? You need a massive garage, and you want a big lot with space from your neighbors, but you don't want a lot of yard work. I bet that's starting to feel like an impossible find. Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes. Well, this beautiful custom home is nearly 2,900 square feet, and it's located in the prestigious Wilcox area of North Red Bluff. I just love all the details in this house, like gorgeous ceiling work and beautiful LVP flooring throughout all the main spaces. This home has a huge living room with the most amazing windows and natural light. And this cozy family room, it's got a gas fireplace and it's right off the kitchen, perfect for today's lifestyle. And when you entertain, you'll love being able to spread out in this huge dining room with this impressive arched ceiling. And for more casual day-to-day dining, you'll love this island with breakfast bar seating and this cozy breakfast nook right next to the kitchen. You'll love that the kitchen has tons of counter space and so much storage. It has 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. You'll love this darling updated half bath for your guests right off the family room. And you'll love your enormous primary suite. It's got vaulted ceilings and a peaceful balcony that truly makes this a retreat. The attached ensuite bathroom has a dual sink vanity, a luxurious soaking tub, a spacious stall shower, and a large walk-in closet. And don't you love that the huge laundry room is central to all 4 of the bedrooms? It's got so much storage space and plenty of room for all your folding. Out back, there's multiple seating areas to take in your tranquil country lifestyle and the abundant wildlife viewing, and just enough grassy space for your kids and pets to run around, but not a lot to maintain. And there's even plenty of room if you want to have a garden. If you've got toys and projects, be prepared to fall in love with this garage. It fits 5 cars with plenty of room to spare. There's a built-in tool bench and a sink. Plus, there's an additional area that's the size of a 3-car garage. There's so much potential here. What would you use all this space for? Plus, there's an additional pad for RV or boat parking to the side of the house, and you'll love the horseshoe driveway. This huge country house has everything you've been looking for and then some. It's all about a comfortable country lifestyle. There's even a Generac, so you've got a backup generator to never give up your comforts, even when the power goes out. Isn't this huge country property amazing? We'd love to show you in person. So give me, Stacy Baxter, and my Magnolia team a call at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to help you find a huge house in an amazing country neighborhood to tell it in.